Let's learn how to make a restaurant reservation on OpenTable. First, go on OpenTable app. When you open app, look at the bottom of the screen and you can see a little magnified icon and click on it. When you do that, look at in the top corner of the screen and click on first option. On this pop-up page, you need first to select the party size. That means how many people will going in the restaurant, and go to select what is in your case. Then you need to select date and time you want to go to the restaurant. I will choose that is be a Tuesday, and the time you want to go to the restaurant. Then click on done. The next step is that to set a location where you want to go. You can enter your current location and the OpenTable app will show you a closest restaurant to you, but I will enter a location where I want to go. When you enter the city like me, that will show you a recommended restaurants, and you can see this restaurant with available time you enter it. Also, if you didn't want any of this restaurant, you can search for a name of restaurant you want. And when you choose a restaurant you want, go on it. Now enter the time you want to go to the restaurant. Next, OpenTable app will show you a pop-up menu where you need to select your seating option. On this menu you can see how many seating options this restaurant have and choose whatever you want. On this page you can see what you need to know before you go to the restaurant. Also, if you have any specific request, you can enter it. Then you can select what's your occasion when you go to the restaurant. Check is your phone number correct. And when you do that, you can book a reservation by clicking on book red button in the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.